Hey guys, here we are in Bristol for the first of our two shows. Not been able to show you too much today because of the weather, which has been fun, but we are getting on with stuff. We've just taken the covers off and yeah, we've got three positions in this show. Everything's covered over on this one and the one afterwards, so you can just see there. But it's the same kind of things that you've seen, single shots and candles and things at the front, and in the middle there tends to be cakes, and towards the back we have the fan slices. We're just setting up the shells. There's the shell table over there doing the fusing. I've been chucking out the lift cups out of the racks like I do. I'll come and set that lot up soon. It's a nice venue, fun fairs over there, clubhouse is over there. I can't remember the name of the place, but we're in Bristol. We've got a show around the corner tomorrow. If I can find out in the next update, I'll tell you where we are at. But we'll just have a little look around. I won't actually speak.
We went through to reception, found him fast asleep on the set.
Did you tell him how you got in, or did you leave it a secret?
Your move's like low. He thought it was just black. And then he claimed he'd been on the phone to another hotel because there was a problem. He's like, you haven't, mate. You're fast asleep on the sofa. Don't insult my intelligence. I like that.
You're pretty quiet.
Chuck away, isn't it? Right on the beach, they do all the fishing, and they come and they've got like smoke pits on the beach. They smoke all the fish. So it's literally out the sea today. Absolutely delicious. Your tripod, it's on the dashboard.
Yeah, I'll get that in a bit. It's just nice to see what we're actually firing, you know.
Yeah. Let's see this one's little face when it all lights up.
Yeah. It's great getting your hands on this stuff. It's like what you always wanted to do when you were a kid, but it was a mystery. That's the problem, you see. It's like all these mysteries get like revealed to you, and they're no longer exciting like they used to be when you were a kid, you know.
Come watch.
You can ring her and you tell her that.
Okay, you sing you.
No, she's looking at.
She'd know you're lying.
She's looking at bathroom tiles or some thing.
How long would it take to get a train from London to Bristol though?
Couple of hours.
Yeah, it's about. So no, it's only about an hour and a half. Yeah, Bristol's really quick.
Temple Mead. Or the Aztec West roundabout. That's where our office is. I've stayed in that hotel. I've stayed in that Aztec hotel. Yeah.
Me and my man. All kinds of weather, we stick together, the same in the rain or sun. Two different faces.
Well, hey everyone. Over there in the black is all the show that we've got set up. We're now testing the field, so only the firers are on the field, testing for continuity and issues, etc. So it's a nice evening. The rain stopped, it's clearing, the wind is just right. It'll just blow some smoke out of the way. Should be a great show. I hope I'm going to get it all from here. Sorry I've not got much footage today, but I've not really had the opportunity. I may try to go around. I won't be doing any after show footage tonight. We need to get cleared up and go, so anyway, it's a little quick update.
Brilliant night, really buzzing atmosphere, lovely to be here. Thankfully no rain, thankfully not too cold. We're all happy. Are we happy? Okay, quickly just to say thanks to some of our sponsors, Signature Sports, AJ Mowers, West Coast Properties and Select Security. Obviously thank you to all the volunteers that have helped put this event together, from Patchway Town Council, all the councillors, all the residents. You've all been great, and tonight we're going to have some fun. We're going to have some fun! We're going to have a countdown! Right, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's time for Dynamite Fireworks to take you back in time. celebrities. Journey into the 2000s.
Sometimes I feel like throw my hands up in the air. I know I can count on you. Sometimes I feel like saying, Lord, I just don't care. But you've got the love I need to see me through. Sometimes it seems the Lord is just too much. Anything goes, no matter what I do. Savior.
the 2020s.
I'll smile, do what it takes to fool this guy. I'll do it till the sun goes down, and all in the night time. Oh yeah, I'll tell you what you wanna be. With my sunglasses on while I shed a tear. It's never the right time. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I put my arms so you are someone, yeah. I put my arms so you
Wow, wasn't that incredible? Wow. Hats off to Dynamite Fireworks for that one. Thank you for coming down tonight, guys. Have a great weekend and a safe journey home. Thank you, good night.